stop guessing on how to fix no subject MMS errors in your Android group chats. This is exactly how you beat this glitch without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you it is a simple signal issue, but the reality is that your messaging app is failing to handshake with your carrier's MMSE server. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic of the MMS gateway, or you'll just get stuck with message size, 1 KB downloads that never actually open. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is impossible for you to miss another important text from the group. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these deep system Android communication fixes that leave other users frustrated. First, you must open your Messages app and navigate to advanced settings to ensure auto-download MMS is toggled on, but then immediately toggle it off and back on again to refresh the background listener. If that doesn't clear the error, you must go to your phone's app settings and find Carrier Services to clear its cache and storage completely. The secret trick that other creators missed is that no subject errors often stem from an IPv6 conflict in your APN settings. By switching your APN protocol specifically to IPv4 only, you force the carrier to use a legacy stable path for multimedia packets. This works because many older carrier towers still struggle to route group MMS headers over the newer IPv6 protocol, causing the no subject placeholder to appear. Finally, ensure your group messaging is set to send an MMS reply to all recipients rather than individual SMS. By following this exact path,